Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix webcam is not working on Windows 11, and I will show you how to fix this in just 3 steps. Alright, the first step that you need to do is go to left in the bottom to start and then go to settings. Then from here we go to privacy and security, and then from here we scroll down to camera, click on camera, and then right now make sure that the camera access is on, or that you turn on the camera for the app that is standing right here. But the most important part is turn on your camera access. Then the second step is click this away, search here for device manager, go to device manager, and then from here search for the camera that you are using. So let's see, here are my cameras. Now, what we need to do is we need to update those drivers. So right mouse click update driver, search automatically for driver, and then it says the best drivers for a device are already installed. Now we close this and do this also for the other camera. Do the same thing, and then the best drivers for a device are already installed. So both drivers got updated, and this is the second step that you need to do. Alright, right now what we want to do is search here for CMD, enter, and right now we have it just right here. What you now need to do is type in sfc /scan now and do enter. You must be administrator running a console session in order to use the sfc utility. So that means that we need to close this, search for CMD again, right mouse click, and then run as administrator. So keep in mind that you will do that. Now we click on yes, and now we can do the same thing. So I showed you just a mistake that you need to fix, because otherwise it won't work. Right now we do sfc /scan now, and right now he will scan on your PC, and that costs some time. So alright, the scan is done, and this is the last step, and right now it will probably work. So after this step, I hope your camera will work. So hopefully I helped you out. Please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.